In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed Shopify products on your Framer site using Shopify. Let's get started right away. First, you'll need to open Shopify. If you don't yet have an account, creating one is your first task. Signing up is straightforward, but be sure to have all your details handy to make the process smooth. Once registered, you're ready to dive into selecting the products you wish to embed. Shopify offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to browse through and find just the right product for your needs. When you see the product that fits your requirements, go ahead and click on it to proceed. Next, once your product is connected, you'll have the opportunity to customize its style and layout. This aspect is all about making sure the product fits seamlessly into your Framer site, maintaining your site's aesthetic and design ethos. Shopify offers a myriad of customization options, from color schemes to layout arrangements, ensuring your Shopify products not only match, but enhance the overall look of your site. If you're thinking about generating an embed code, you should note that this feature requires an upgrade. The upgraded version provides advanced functionalities that can truly elevate how your products are presented. After upgrading, it's time to connect your Shopify account. Doing this is essential, as it ensures that your product information, such as pricing and availability, remains up to date. After the connection is established, you can easily copy the embed code provided. This code is your key to bringing Shopify products into the Framer environment seamlessly. Simply paste this code into your Framer site. You'll be pleased to see how directly and functionally your Shopify products will appear. By following these steps, Shopify enables the Shopify products to function directly on your Framer site, providing a dynamic, interactive shopping experience for your users. They won't just see static images, they'll be able to engage with your storefront in real time, making purchases conveniently right from your site. And there you have it. By using Shopify to embed your Shopify products, you're not only enhancing your site's capabilities, but also offering your audience a richer shopping experience. This integration takes just a little setting up, but offers significant benefits in terms of both design and functionality. It's a smart way to consolidate your online presence, so start embedding today and watch how it transforms your site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.